Hello everyone, my name is Kevin. Today I'm going to show you this new V5Plus function. Alright, so this is the new flow properties. Usually last time we will come to tools, come to settings here. You can see all the properties here, but now everything is come outside here, so you can direct change it here. Alright, so let's say I draw a rectangle. Okay, I press Roam. Okay, now is currently is 4,000. Okay, maybe I can set to 3,000. Okay, or 2008 by default. Okay, default is usually take 2008. Okay, of course you can change the number itself. Alright, wall thickness maybe it's not 150, 120 or 240. Okay, you can change it in here in your own preference. Right, mirror your floor plan, but anything you press mirror, okay, it will remove every single of your furnitures, even rotation also. So beware of changing the layout. Okay, because once you press, it will be removed. Alright, the item will be removed. Alright, then wall transparency. Okay, you can see through like this. Okay, you can press this lock. Okay, this is the template. This is the wall. Okay, then for wall scale, this is for in a 2D mode. Okay, this is the scaling here. Show the wall. Okay, you turn off. See the wall, you can see through. Right, of course you can just make it to 100%. You can see through like that. Okay, and show angle. Okay, so this one if you have the angle to show. Alright, room scale. Yeah, this is the room scale. Okay, other basic button will be this one. Okay, this is your setting camera. Okay, so back then you have to set inside the setting. Now you can on it. You can press here, or you can press WASD. Camera lens. Okay, move speed. So when you press WASD, it will go slower or faster. Right, press this set will be the default. Okay, so this is the basic button in V5 Plus. Alright, hit the like button and subscribe. Okay, bye.